If you want to find out about my offers, hit that buy me a beer link, or if you want to get into contact with me, hit the Twitter or Instagram link. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update for you today. Please make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already. And YouTube is all about engagement, so liking, commenting, and sharing this video would be great. Make sure you are following my Twitter. It's Louis_crypto. I've made it easy for you guys, so you can just click my link tree. It's in the top right corner or in the description and comment section down below. So over on my Twitter, I do make some posts if I'm not able to make a video. So for Hbar, again, in the last few updates, even up here, I'll say you can get out of this buy position that we had over here with the stop loss as this invalidation point. And we were looking for a target, which was a 60% pump up to 9.8 cent, and then a further pump up to 14 cent eventually once this 60% pump from this point all the way up until here is complete. You need to then break above it and head to this target. And this target should be met. In actual fact, we get earlier anticipation that this target might be met once we break above this golden pocket. So when we saw that rejection over here, I told you guys we're going to come back down to here. And if this is lost, we come back down to here. If this is lost, we come back down to here. And the loss of this is the invalidation of this potential buy trade that could take us all the way to 14 cent. So make sure you do follow my Twitter. Again, it's Louis_crypto. And you can find all the links you need in my link tree in the description or comment section down below. So heading into the Hbar chart, we can see if I get rid of that double bottom over here, we broke out of it and are essentially coming back down to retest it. In the last few days, we've come back down to this trend line. Although we printed some nice bullish candles a few days ago over here, we had a spinning top holding this support, basically signaling that we want to head up, and then followed by a bullish candle over here. So looking for that continuation to the 200 EMA. But as long as we're within this green box over here, it won't allow us. The top of the green box will act as somewhat of a resistance. Just as we were coming down, we were rejecting it as support, and then we fell within and the bottom becomes support. That's why we had a spinning top over here, because this is suggesting price was underneath the green box and was looking to come down lower to this level below. But it actually bounced off of this yellow uptrending trend line and brought it back within the box. So again, just trapped in the box. That's what we're seeing right now. We had another break down yesterday below the box, but are we below the yellow line? No. So this is why we're actually getting another bounce today. But as we can see, we're trapped below the moving averages over here. These moving averages, as you can see, if we extend them a bit, it meets this uptrending line. So before the end of this, so literally that could be today, tomorrow, or the day after, being Saturday, we're going to get this breakout, whether that's down and the loss of this uptrend back down to this low at 6 cents, or we're now going to break above these EMAs as well as the green box top, which is 6.6 cent, looking for continuation back up to the golden pocket over here between 7.3 and 7.8 cent. I think in the actual Twitter update, let me just double check. I think in the Twitter update I mentioned some levels. Yeah, so here we go. So I was essentially saying a break above 8 cent will send price to the 1618 here at 14 cents. So this is just because we'd be creating the reversal wave. Is actually something that should not happen. What the fibs here are is a retracement tool. So this is just a big push down, exhausting into here, looking for that continuation lower. We know that if we lose this, we invalidate the potential reversal wave upwards. And so yeah, all the Fibonacci is just telling you where is it going to exhaust to, and we exhausted to there, looking for that continuation. But I believe that this is a wave up, and now we're exhausting down to about halfway point, looking for that continuation to create the reversal wave on the older fibs. Remember, it should do something like this, but if we get above it, flip it into support, we create the reversal wave. And now we can see after this rally down, rally into it, coming back down, looking for support over here. If we were to break out, this would be a massive double bottom breakout. So the neckline of this pattern would be 7.3 cents. So technically speaking, a daily candle close above the 0.5 fib at 7.3 cent. It actually would signal a new target to the upside. Again, eventually we're going to get up there, but this target might be a little stop off along the way. So there you go at the 1 fib level. So as we can see over here, we had a small double bottom, which on the breakout sends us above the golden pocket and above exactly 8 cent. And a break of this level and flipping the golden pocket into support will send us to the 1 fib level, which was the target anyway out of breaking this green downtrending line. We said ever since that, and even before the breakout in this whole area over here, I was saying buy your H bar between 6 and 6.5 cent. We're at 6.5 cents still, but again, the invalidation would be the loss of 5.5 cent. This would suggest coming back down to 5. You can reclaim it, of course. Wait for that if that were to be the case. We don't just, oh yeah, it's invalidated it, now just sell. You could just grab some liquidity and come back and go on the path, but we're not seeing that. Okay guys, we're just going off what we can see at the moment. We're seeing the uptrend hold, we're seeing some support over here. We're within this green box holding as support, breaking out of here, looking for this as a target. We've got a double bottom breakout and the retest over here, finding support exactly on the double bottom retest, on the moving averages, on the uptrending line, looking for a breakout to meet the double bottom target. That would create the reversal wave. Please backtest that support. Then we've got a larger double bottom here with a target at the 1 fib level. That should be met when you make the reversal wave and you head to the 1 fib level. Maybe as that's the target, we start dumping back down as long as this holds. So you could dump down to it, you don't have to. Maybe the 786 holds, maybe you do come down to there, and then I'd look for that final wave up to 14.5 cent. All of this will take some months potentially, but this would be over a 100% move for Hbar. If you're not really getting what I'm saying today, please go check out my course, my mentorship, and that's all found on my link tree. I'll open it up right now for you guys. So it'll bring you over here, and you can buy a single mentorship session. This will be a 1 hour long, and I'll help you with my strategies. Anything you need help with, just to see how the mentorship is, you can take action on just one session. Just message me and find out more about everything over on my Twitter or Instagram. If you want to become a member, I've actually had a few people join in the last few days. You can join my chat, and that is where I have more information on my longer term investments. If you want the course and the mentorship, all the links you need are here. If you want to find out more information on everything, you can click on either the one-to-one mentorship, become a member, course and mentorship, or hit this buy me a beer link and it'll bring you to the website where you can go through everything. So here we go. Here's the people taking action in the last few days. Thank you guys for your support. Again, please do like, subscribe and comment. Make sure you are following my Twitter and my Instagram so you're kept up to date if I'm not able to make a Hbar update. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and as always, peace. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my buy me a beer. Now, I'll bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.